Welcome to our video series on the top 30 healthiest foods for a balanced diet. Our previous video explored the science behind popular diets, from low-carb to plant-based. This series will highlight some of the most nutritious and delicious foods you can incorporate into your daily meals. Eating a balanced and varied diet is crucial for maintaining good health and preventing chronic diseases. Adding these foods to your diet can give your body essential nutrients and enjoy their numerous health benefits. Remember to check out the links in the description for recommended ebooks, which include more tasty and healthy recipes. So, let's dive into the first 10 of the 30 most nutritious foods without further ado. Avocado is a superfood that has become a popular ingredient in many healthy recipes. These green, pear-shaped fruits are packed with nutrients that benefit your health. Avocados are a rich source of fiber, which is essential for digestive health and helps to keep you feeling full for longer. They also contain healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help to reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and protect against heart disease. Additionally, avocados are a great source of potassium and vitamins K, C, and E. These nutrients are essential for maintaining strong bones, healthy skin, and a robust immune system. There are many ways to incorporate avocados into your meals. You can add sliced avocado to your sandwiches, salads, and wraps. You can also use avocado as a substitute for mayonnaise or sour cream in dips and spreads. For a simple and delicious recipe, try making avocado toast. Toast a slice of whole grain bread, mash half an avocado, and spread it on the toast. Sprinkle some salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes for extra flavor. Walnuts are a great source of nutrition, with several health benefits that make them a worthy addition to your diet. They are an excellent omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and fiber source. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that cannot be produced by the body and must be obtained through diet. They have been linked to various health benefits, including improved brain function and reduced inflammation. In addition to omega-3s, walnuts contain several other beneficial nutrients for overall health, including vitamin E, folate, and magnesium. These nutrients help to support brain function, heart health, and immune system function. Walnuts can be incorporated into meals in many ways. One simple and tasty recipe is to chop them up and add them to oatmeal or yogurt for breakfast. They can also be added to salads, smoothies, or baked goods for a healthy and delicious boost of nutrition. 3. Spinach. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse that is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. This leafy green is a great source of iron, vitamin K, and fiber, making it an excellent addition to a healthy and balanced diet. In addition to its nutritional value, spinach also offers numerous health benefits. It can help improve bone health, aid digestion, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Adding spinach to a smoothie is one easy way to incorporate it into your diet. Blend a handful of spinach with your favorite fruits and almond milk for a tasty and nutritious drink. You can also use spinach in salads, sauté it as a side dish, or add it to soups and stews. Blueberries are a superfood packed with nutrients that can benefit your health in many ways. They are high in antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, boost your immune system and promote healthy digestion. Blueberries also have potential benefits for brain health, reducing inflammation and improving heart health. Studies have shown that consuming blueberries regularly can enhance cognitive function, memory, and learning. The antioxidants in blueberries may also help reduce inflammation in the body, which can lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Adding blueberries to your meals is a straightforward way to incorporate them into your breakfast. You can sprinkle them on your cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt or blend them into a smoothie. For a delicious and healthy snack, you can also eat them or mix them with other fruits for a colorful fruit salad. Salmon is a nutrient-dense food rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and vitamin D. These nutrients provide many health benefits for the body, including supporting heart health and brain function and reducing inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that the body cannot produce alone, and eating salmon is a great way to get these fats into your diet. Omega-3s have been linked to reducing the risk of heart disease, improving brain health, and reducing inflammation. Salmon is also a good source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. Vitamin D, another nutrient found in salmon, is vital for bone health and supporting the immune system. You can make a simple baked salmon dish with lemon and herbs to incorporate salmon into your meals. Another option is to grill or broil the salmon and serve it with roasted vegetables or a green salad. Sweet potatoes are a nutritional powerhouse and a delicious addition to any meal. They are packed with fiber, vitamin A, and potassium, which can help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. In addition to these benefits, sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of diabetes. They also contain antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and promote a healthy immune system. To incorporate sweet potatoes into your diet, try roasting them in the oven with olive oil and seasonings, or make a sweet potato mash with some cinnamon and a touch of honey. You can even use sweet potatoes as a healthy alternative to regular French fries. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable packed with nutrients, making it a great addition to a healthy diet. It's high in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants that can help boost immune function, improve digestion, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Studies have shown that eating cruciferous vegetables like broccoli may lower the risk of certain cancers, such as breast, prostate, and colon cancer. A straightforward way to incorporate broccoli into your meals is to roast it with olive oil and garlic. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and toss broccoli florets with a tablespoon of olive oil and a minced garlic clove. Spread the broccoli on a baking sheet and roast for 15 to 20 minutes or until tender and lightly browned. For a more filling meal, try adding roasted broccoli to a quinoa or brown rice bowl, along with other vegetables and a source of protein like grilled chicken or tofu. The possibilities are endless with this versatile vegetable. Beans and lentils are excellent sources of protein, fiber, and iron. These legumes are also low in fat and have a low glycemic index, which means they are digested slowly and help to stabilize blood sugar levels. Beans and lentils benefit weight management as they provide satiety and reduce the risk of overeating. They are also known to improve heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and blood pressure. An easy way to incorporate beans and lentils into your diet is by adding them to soups, salads, or stews. You can also make a delicious bean or lentil burger for a plant-based protein alternative. A recipe idea to try is a lentil soup with vegetables. Start by sautéing chopped onions, carrots, and celery in a large pot. Add a cup of lentils, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and a can of diced tomatoes. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until lentils are tender. Serve hot with a side of whole grain bread. Dark chocolate is a delicious treat and is packed with health benefits. It contains high levels of antioxidants and flavonoids that can help reduce inflammation and protect against heart disease. Some studies suggest that eating dark chocolate regularly can lower blood pressure and improve blood flow to the heart and brain. When choosing dark chocolate, look for varieties with a high percentage of cocoa solids and lower sugar content. A straightforward way to enjoy dark chocolate is to add cocoa powder to your smoothies or yogurt. You can also make a delicious chocolate bark by melting dark chocolate and adding nuts or dried fruit for a healthy and satisfying snack. Garlic is a pungent vegetable commonly used in cooking due to its distinctive flavor and aroma. But aside from its culinary uses, garlic also offers a range of health benefits that make it one of the top 30 healthiest foods to eat. Garlic is a good source of vital nutrients, including vitamins C and B6 and manganese and selenium. It is also rich in sulfur compounds and antioxidants, which are believed to be responsible for many health-promoting properties. Research suggests regularly consuming garlic may help reduce inflammation, improve immune function, and lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Garlic has also been shown to have antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it helpful in preventing and treating infections. To incorporate garlic into your diet, add it to soups, stews, sauces, and marinades for extra flavor. You can also make homemade garlic bread or roasted garlic spread. Make roasted garlic hummus for a simple and healthy garlic recipe by blending chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, olive oil, and roasted garlic cloves in a food processor. This video highlighted the top 10 of our top 30 healthiest foods, essential for a balanced and healthy diet. We discussed each food's nutritional benefits and potential benefits for overall health, and we also shared simple recipe ideas for incorporating these foods into meals. We encourage viewers to incorporate these foods into their daily meals to provide their bodies with essential nutrients and enjoy the many health benefits that come with them. Remember to check the links in the description for our recipe ebooks that feature these nutritious foods and delicious meals.